Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. And as promised previously, here is a video for troubleshooting the SCEP/NDES environment problems. Yeah, one of the the famous problem is error 500. So when you try to go to the URL of the NDES server, you will get error 500. It has many root causes, but in this tutorial I will show you how to dig deeper and know what exactly is wrong with it. So if we continue on my blog, on this guide for this troubleshooting section, and if you haven't come across this yet, then I will be putting, of course, the URL to this guide for how to deploy the NDES solution. Okay, right? And we are discussing some of the troubleshooting topics today. So let's go to the lab, to your SCEP server, to your NDES server, and you're getting error 500 when you go to the URL, right? So where to start? There are several places to start with. The simplest one is here. You can go to the IIS logs first. This is one of the places, but we're not gonna discuss this now because I know what exactly is the error in my environment. So step number 2 is to go to the event viewer of the NDES machine to check the CAPI2 event logs. Let me show you how to do this. By default, the CAPI2 is not enabled, so you need to enable it. All right. No, it's not open, so let's open it. Go to the event viewer, event view. Nice. Let's maximize this. And where to go here? You need to go under applications and services. Okay, Microsoft, Windows, scroll down a bit to the C letter, the beginning. Here it is, the CAPI or the C API, and then operational. You should click on operational. You'll get tons of events here related to the SCEP environment and the NDES rule. To be specific, the problems related to the certificates, but again, this is not enabled by default, so you need to enable it. So you go on that folder. Where is it? Operational. Just right click, go to properties, right? Under general here, you need to enable logging. It's by default it's disabled. Just enable it and you're good to go. Click OK, hit OK, and wait for a few minutes, or go to the page, to the web page, and click refresh. So it will definitely generate something here. All right, let's check what exactly is wrong is in here. So for example, here we have a couple of errors, and these errors are related to verifying the chain policy for the chain, the chain of the SSL certificate, building the chain. So if we click on one of these, and let me dig deeper here a bit. So what's going on here? Now we need to go to the details to learn a bit more. Expand the system. Here it's talking about the chain policy. Right. If we dig a bit deeper to the end, so here it says the revocation function. The revocation function was unable to check revocation. The revocation list here, it means the CRL, which is the certificate revocation lists, because the revocation list was online. To remind you once again quickly, in my environment I have one domain controller two CAs, one root CA, which is offline currently, and the subordinate CA, it's currently online. All right, what else? Yeah, let's get back here. Okay, so this is there. Okay, so it has a problem here with the RA. If we read a bit carefully, so here this is the RA certificate, or certificates of the SCEP rule, or the NDES rule. Yeah, so it's facing a problem here, and this is why we're getting that error 500. All right, so what should we do now? What else can we check? We can check the again the PKI view.msc utility to check if there's something wrong with our PKI, and there's definitely something wrong, of course. So yeah, let's have it here. Yeah, this one. So we're getting an error here on the environment, and if you remember in my previous video, we had everything on, yeah, okay, we got the status okay for everything, but this time we have an error. Yeah, and we've look closer. Yeah, the delta CRL got expired. Yeah, so this is definitely the reason, but yeah, we need also to check more. Okay, yeah, this is definitely the problem, but we need to run more checks just to help us. So I'm showcasing in this video some other tools that you can use. So for example here, yeah, we can use this very nice utility, the certutil. We can run this command against the certificate file, for example, the RA certificate, for example, and by running this utility, it will give us a lot of important information. So yeah, let me copy this command here, and for your convenience, I have already exported the certificate. So yeah, here it is, but let me quickly show you how to export it. So if you go to MMC, run MMC, all right, and you just need to add a snap in certificates, yeah, and you put it on the computer scope, right? Next, nice. Let's zoom in a bit. So here you go, expand this, expand personal, expand certificates, and here we have the two certificates. Yeah, there are four, but ignore a couple of them. There is duplication here for a reason. So yeah, either this one, that was no, yeah, any of them anyway. Yeah, this one was generated from this certificate template, and this is the other one. Just export any of them. Yeah, for example, this one. Okay, we just need to export it in a file. Right click on it, all tasks, yeah, export, just next, leave it as is, no choices here, leave it as is. Yeah, set a name for the file, and yeah, export, and that's it. This is how easy it is. So let's go to the command prompt, cmd. Let me navigate to directory on my C drive where the certificate file is. Let me zoom in also a little bit here. Yeah, that's fine. All right, so let's paste the command and then type the name of the certificate file that we've generated. I called it RA-cert. Let's hit enter. Yeah, it will generate a lot of stuff. So let's zoom in a bit. Let's get to the beginning. Yeah, so here it's validating the certificate, and yeah, this is the common name. I need just to get to this part. Yeah, so this certificate got verified, the base CRL, yeah, verified, and here we can see the delta CRL is expired. So as we have got the same info from the PKI view utility. Yeah, so this one is in, yeah, we have more, yeah, same error. scroll down to the bottom. So here, here it says, the same thing, verifying leave certificate, verification status, etc, etc. All right, so we know now that the CRL, because it's offline. And this usually happens when you forget to power on your root CA server, right before the renewal dates of different certificates. So, all right, okay, so now we know what exactly is the issue. All we need to do is to renew the Delta CRL, which is expired. Nice. All right, what should we do now? Let's get to, we need to power on the root CA, sorry, this is the one. Let me highlight it. Yep, and start. Yes. Let's give it a moment here, and by default, if the root CA is a healthy server and the relationship with the trust relationship with the Active Directory is not broken, then the Delta CRL will be automatically renewed. So if I ping Azure-CA01, it should, now it's responding, so it's powered on now. Let's maybe just refresh. Let's give it a couple of minutes. It should renew itself and everything becomes fine. If it doesn't, then you need manually to intervene and fix the issue and renew the Delta certificate. Just give it a few moments. In the meantime, I will log into it to see what exactly is going on there. Just giving this some time. It should be fixed automatically. If it doesn't, then we're gonna do it together. Let me log into it. So it's my it's local. Okay. Nice. In the meantime, let me check this. I think if I restart the server, the thing is, if you reboot the subordinate CA in this condition, the subordinate CA will not, the service of the certificate, the certificate services will not start. So let's give it a moment. It should just be renewed automatically. However, if it doesn't, then again we should then do it manually. Okay, this is the root CA. Let's check the status from here. Run PKI view.msc. No. Run. PKI view.msc. Let's see what happens here. I still have an error, which is fine. Expiring, we know that. Expired, we already know that, so I just hit refresh. Okay, so where is this one hosted? This one is hosted on the subordinate. So I believe we should now and also this one is also the main one. Then we should do it, and let's renew it and then see if it automatically gets replicated to the sub CA or not. So let's open the CA console. It's cert srv.msc. So this is the server here. The revocation list, no revocation lists. All right. So let's renew it. If I recall that correctly. Properties, yeah, view CRLs, revocation list. It expires every 2 days. I set it like that to get it expired in my lab. Yeah, that quickly. This one should be. This one is still valid. Yeah, this one expires tomorrow, but the Delta one got already expired. So, yeah, this is the one. But how about renewing that? Yeah, right click, all tasks, publish. Okay, new CRL, publishing that one. Okay, that one, sorry, I'm just refreshing here. Yeah, let's go once again. It should now give us, I believe, no option for that now. But anyway, apologies for my voice, I'm a bit sick. Yeah, so this one got renewed. We should go to the other server, not this one. We should go to the subordinate CA to renew it. I believe rebooting it would do it, but let's not risk that. And let me quickly log into the sub CA. What was the password? Right. Actually, yeah, I was supposed to be recording this video yesterday, but the moment I powered on everything, this issue got fixed. So yeah, I had nothing to fix, but now, yeah, at least we have something to play with. Yeah, what the hell is that? Which server is that? Yeah, this is the CA. This is the cached page, so if I refresh now, yeah, it will go down. This is nice. Let me open what? Let me also open the same pages, the same utilities, I mean. So PKI view, yeah, we have it here. Nice. Okay, this one is okay. This one has expired. Yep. Cert srv.mc. Yeah, I typed it correctly finally. All right, let's go in here and renew on the sub CA. Let's renew the. Yeah, my apologies for that. I just need to zoom in a little bit. Yeah, let's do the same thing on the sub CA, all tasks publish, and in this case here, I believe, yeah, we can issue a Delta certificate. So let's give that a try. Okay, let's issue the main one first, hoping that it works. I believe this action should be done only on, yeah, on the root CA, not this one. But let's give it a try and issue a Delta. Exactly, it worked fine. Yeah, let me check the properties here. Yeah, so this one got renewed, and we have a new Delta, which expires tomorrow morning. Yeah. All right. Let's check now the this nice utility and see. Nice. So now this is fixed, as you can see. So yeah, so the Delta CRL on the sub CA, it needed to be renewed, but it won't hurt to renew it. Yeah, right from the root CA, but because the root CA was powered off, it wasn't able to update the Delta on its own. It needed, yeah, to have a validation for the chain. Let's get back to our SCEP server. See, where is the error? I hope that it works. So let's refresh right now. Refresh again. It should work. Let's refresh here. This one is fixed. Yeah, this one is fine also. It should work fine. Let's restart the IIS. So IIS reset, or maybe a reboot for the entire server, but let's give it a moment. Let's restart the IIS. And in some deployments, it depends on your environment. Maybe you had a custom path for the CRL revocation lists. Okay, so in that case, if it's not on the default one and it has a custom one, then you need to manually copy or move the newly generated ones to the path that you have on your environment. If we have the time, I will show you how. Yeah, so now it's fixed. Voila. All right, let me quickly show you how to find the path for your CRLs. Yeah, let's go to, which server is this? Yeah, so this is the CA, or let's take the sub CA for example, or the CA for now. Either it won't differ. Yeah, let's go here to run localhost. Let's see what is being shared through the localhost. Yeah, we have that directory, which is the cert enroll, and here we have the CRL. Let me show you. Let me show the extensions. Let's not hide the extensions to see the difference here. All right, again, so at that path of each machine, this is the default path. Here is the CRL. Okay, right? This is the delta, I believe, without plus. So if there is a change, then you should on the CA server, either one, either the root or the other one, to get the correct path. You need to go to the IIS. Right, I think under the default website sites, default website, if you expand it, yeah, this is the cert serve here, and this is the certificate enroll. So yeah, you just need to right click, I believe, manage virtual directory, browse or advanced settings. One of them should yeah, should take you to the path. No, it's not what I want. I think it's on the, yeah, we have this. I think it's on the C drive by default. Yeah, so where this is and where that is. So yeah, let's. I think it was here somewhere. Sorry, let me. Yeah. Browse. I just need to open the directory location. Anyway, yeah. Anyway, let's get to the root of the IIS. So now we know it's this directory. So we just need to go to the C. Sorry, it's this control panel and the C drive. C drive. Yeah, this one. Yeah, and at the roots of the IIS, if I'm not mistaken, it's this one here. You have www root web system web. No, it's not here also. Yeah, my apologies guys, it was just right there. So again, in IIS, if you right click on cert enroll and just hit explore, yeah, it will take you to the correct path. So this is the path in case you faced issues between the root CA and the CA. Yeah, and the renewal of the CRL wasn't reflected, then you need on the root CA, for example, to go there and manually copy the CRL and the new Delta CRL, manually copy them to the directory or the folder on the sub CA, and then refresh, and it should work fine. Yeah, okay, yeah, so our problem is fixed. Yeah, I hope this has been informative, and yeah, thank you. Bye.